Hey guys, welcome back to NextGenBlogger, and in this video I want to show you how you can create a chess transition in VSDC Free Video Editor. Now it is actually super easy to create a chess transition in VSDC, and chess transition is actually part of the transition suite in VSDC. So if you actually go to video effects and transitions, you will find the chess option right at the top. So without further delay, let's get started and look at this transition. Now, as you can see, I've already imported 2 demo videos in the editor, and what I've done is I've placed my second demo video overlapping my first demo video by 1 second. And so let me just double click on my first demo video and then go to video effects, transitions, select chess, and then click on OK. Now look inside the chess settings which is present inside the properties window, and the first option which is present is directly. So if you plan to use chess transition at the beginning of the video, change this from false to true inside directly option and place your chess transition right at the beginning of the video. And so let me just quickly play the video for you. That's it. But if you do not plan to use chess transition at the beginning of the video and rather plan to use it to transition between 2 videos, change this from true to false or keep it at false only, and place the chess transition at the end of the first video like this. Now let's look at this second option. Keep the transition levels like that only. So we are not going to make any changes inside transition levels. Let's look at this option called cell size, where in pixels is currently selected. So if you actually click on this drop down list, cell size contains 3 options: in pixels, in percent, and by size divider. They all essentially do the same thing, but there are just little variations here and there. So let's look at in pixels, and as you can see, we have cell width and the cell height in pixels. And so let me just place the cursor on top of my chess transition. So the less number of, if the values inside cell width and the cell height is less, more number of pixels will be visible on the screen. And if the values inside cell width and the cell height are more, less number of pixels will be visible on the screen. So as you can see, currently the cell width and the cell height contains the value 1616, which is pretty less, and so therefore you see so many pixels on the screen. So if I just decrease the values further to 8, which is the minimum value, you will see maximum number of pixels which can be there on the screen. So if I just quickly play the video for you. But if I increase the values inside cell width and the cell height, less number of pixels will be visible on the screen. So let me just increase the cell width value inside cell width from 8 to, let's say, 75. And let me just increase the cell height value from 8 to again 75. And as you can see, less number of pixels are now visible on the screen because you have increased the value inside cell width and the cell height. But if you decrease the value inside cell width and the cell height, more pixels are visible on the screen. So again, let me just quickly play the video for you. So this is in pixels basically, and you can put values according to your choice. Now let's look at in percents. So the minimum value inside in percents is 0% and the maximum is 100, and currently the cell width and the cell height both contains 100%, and therefore if I just quickly play the video for you, you won't see any chess transition happening. It would be a normal fade out transition. But if I just decrease the cell width and the cell height from 100% to 50%, you will notice a change. That's it. So now if I just quickly play the video for you. So this is in percents with cell width and cell height at 50%, 50-50%. And if I decrease it further to 25% and 25%, you will notice more differences on the screen. So again, you can place any values or put any value inside cell width and cell height according to your choice. And let's look at the final option, which is by size divider. So in by size divider, you can actually place the number of cells which you want on the screen. So currently 1616 is there. Now as you can see, I have properly placed how many cells I want on the screen. So if you actually count the cells, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16, and if you just count the height as well, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. So as you saw guys, I have perfectly placed how many cells I want on the screen with the help of cell width divider and cell height divider. So if I increase it from 16 to let's say 30, you will notice the changes happening on the screen, as you can see. And if I increase it further to 50, again you will notice the changes happening on the screen. So this is how you can actually use the chess transition or create a chess transition between your videos in VSDC Free Video Editor. Do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will again see you in the next video. Till then, thanks for watching.